Welcome to VDS Learning School. Today's topic is flightless birds. Flightless birds are birds which cannot fly. They rely on their ability to run or swim. There are about 60 species living today. The two key differences between flying and flightless birds are the smaller wing bones of the flightless birds and the absent keel on their breastbone. The keel anchor muscles needed for the wing movement. The flightless birds also have more feathers than flying birds. Now we shall have a look at the different types of flightless birds. The first one we have native of Africa. This bird has the largest eye of any land animal is ostrich. The largest flightless nocturnal bird of New Guinea is cassowary. This is the largest bird native of Australia and second largest bird in the world is emu. The largest flightless bird of South America with three-toed feet is rhea. The greater swimmer found in the Antarctic region with black top and white abdomen is the penguin. An extinct flightless bird of Mauritius is dodo. Native of New Zealand, it is the small furry nocturnal bird is kiwi. This is the world's rarest and strangest parrot is kokopo. The bird which is known as the clever thieves is the wika. The flightless bird which do not really have any predators is the flightless cormorants. So here we have come to the end of the session. That's all about flightless birds. Please subscribe and share my channel. Thank you so much.